A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Bruce Higgins, a black male, 16 years old, 6 feet 2 inches tall, 180 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen in the area of the 1000 block of Lincoln Terrace in Winter Garden, Florida. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt. Bruce was abducted by a light-skinned black male with dreadlocks, driving a dark gray Infiniti G37. Subjects of this alert may be armed and dangerous. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Winter Garden Police Department at 407-877-5482 or 911.
Dad.
Yeah, smart lights, smart fridge, smart... I can admit...
That's different webs.
What?
Can I add Preston to the call for now and then?
Fine. Jay, I'm about to play it on my computer.
PJ. There's a difference between do it yourself and do it for a living.
PJ.
What?
Can I add Preston to the call?
I said yes.
Keep your job on track. Job site delivery to save you time. And bulk
I couldn't
pricing
hear you
over
with all the loud
4,000
stuff.
items every
I'm trying to see if I can get the alert on my computer.
When you've got a job, we're on the job.
Hi, Preston.
More saving, more doing.
Twice as big for ton.
No, we're not talking about you. What?
Cash back on gas, online shopping.
Wait, we're not. We're not talking about you.
Stores, furnishings.
Because someone else was on the call.
Do you check?
Tap now or visit bankofamerica.com/online. What would you like the power to do?
We just didn't want you and her to get in an argument.
At Minute
Again.
Clinic, you don't need an appointment. Just walk in, got
Yeah.
strained, limp, feeling crummy, shuffle it. For affordable
Trying to see if I can get the alert.
schedule 7 days a week. Just walk, wiggle, or wander into Minute Clinic. Restrictions apply. See minuteclinic.com for details.
At Trulia, we believe that finding the right house
Clearly
starts
talking to you
with
right now.
finding the right neighborhood. Because we know that what's outside the front
Because they
door
don't
is
know
just
stuff
as
right now.
important as what's behind it. And when people love where they live, they feel more connected to the community.
The alert came on the radio.
That's why we source millions of neighborhood insights from the people who live there. It's our way of making the world a little more neighborly. Trulia will help you discover a place
The alert.
you love to
The
live.
alert came on the radio.
Bored of crushing candy?
Oh my, he just listened to an alert.
Then download Best Fiends. It's a 5-star rated puzzle game where you collect...
I don't think it's gonna come on the radio, you guys. On my computer. See if I can capture it on another station.
Station 107. Nick is written up. Yep, this is.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I captured it on the radio. The alert. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video. Peace.